if you look at the business model of the scooter companies, they're expecting the scooters to last somewhere between 3 and 6 months in service. And on average, they're lasting more like 60 days. So all of a sudden, it reminded us of the example of the plank roads. The plank road movement in the 1840s started in New York. And
it's the first thing we thought. I saw a scooter, I'm thinking plank roads.
Yeah. If you look up, there are a number of plank roads named Plank Road in New York State. Plank roads were initially marketed as using, instead of surfacing a road with gravel or some other surfacing technology, you would use wood planks. And it was thought, oh, this is going to allow the horses to go much faster, and they'll...
No mud?
And they'll last, so it's going to be a great boon to transportation. So there was a bubble in plank roads.
So
people
turns out
invested in
these are going to be toll roads.
Toll roads that are going to be made with wooden planks.
And so then everybody would come in their stagecoach or their horse or whatever, and they'll pay the toll and they'll walk along the plank road. And based on the lumber's plentiful in the 1840s, so based on the cost of laying down these roads, in about 7 years they would pay off, and then after that it's pure profit. There was a hitch, there was a problem in this, is that the roads only lasted 4 years. So, and that's exactly the same mistake of the scooter. Now, it is possible, like you could have imagined that these scooter companies would have chosen a test market and tested out their model on like one city, and that would have been much cheaper than having 5 scooter companies in every state, or in every major metropolitan area. But they didn't, because everybody was so convinced that whoever got there first was going to establish this very profitable business that they ran, as opposed to walking, and that's kind of the manifestation of the bubble.